Ever opened a design in Canva Pro and noticed that pesky watermark ruining the perfect look? Don't worry. There's a super simple way to remove it, and I'm going to show you exactly how. First, open your design in Canva Pro. Locate the image or element that has the watermark. Click on it and then select Edit Photo. Once you're in the editing mode, look for the Magic Eraser tool. This is your secret weapon. Now, adjust the brush size to match the area of the watermark. If it's small, make the brush smaller for precision. Carefully paint over the watermark, making sure you cover the entire area. The tool works like magic, gradually removing the watermark as you go. Once you are satisfied with the result, simply click Erase and watch the watermark disappear completely, leaving your design clean and professional. The key here is patience and precision. Don't rush it, because a careful hand ensures the image looks natural and untouched. And the best part, this method works for almost any image or element in Canva Pro, making it perfect for presentations, social media posts, or personal projects. With just a few clicks, your designs look polished and completely watermark free. So next time you're working on Canva, you can focus on creativity without worrying about distractions. Try it out and see how clean your designs can really be.